Wadidaw, colorful. Rainbow color. Hehe. Wow. Why, green color. Wish, nice. Blue color. Amazing. Yellow color. Hey, pink color. Yellow. Okay, next green. Wow. Okay, next green color. Wish. Okay, let's go. Wow. Green color. Small. Open and rinse.
The ratcheting action of Z-wrench helps you install and remove nuts and bolts quickly.
Nice. Very, very nice. Okay, next blue color. Circularsaw. Power tools. Okay, next yellow color. Truck crane. Amazing. Okay, pink color. Airplane. Okay, next. Tanker truck. Nice. Okay, super big. Yellow color. Chainsaw. Power saw. Okay. Electric drill. Amazing. Electric drill.
They use a ratcheting effect to drive fasteners without slipping or camming out.
Wish, good job. Grinding machine. Grinder. Okay, next. Tractor. Wow. Small. Screwdriver. Okay, next. Blue color. This is Jigsaw.
Having an alloy base on a jigsaw like this allows you to glide through all your cuts.
Power tools. Wish, electric drill.
Above its weight class for professional with DIY work, this is a great tool.
Amazing. Way small. Mixer truck. Thor hammer.
Boss automotive.
Weapon superhero Thor. Why? Steering car. Vroom. Hey, Okay, next, with the last number. Adjust table reads. Nice, very, very nice. Okay, wow. See you. Bye-bye.